I was recently at the IML Expo in Las Vegas, and I saw lots of interesting products. This one's from Don Joe, and the EH161. It's for when the frame is sagging, and we normally just grind out the top or the bottom, use our lipstick to see where it's sticking. And this is an interesting plate, so it's already has adjusted the height, top and bottom of it, for when you have the sagging door frames, and also the EW161. So when you run across those doors where you have a lot of like weather stripping, or it's just sort of the doors binding a bit, and this is interesting. Instead of grinding it out, we just put the EW161 strike in there. So I hope you find this interesting. Just watch the rest of the video and think about getting some of this for your service truck.
Oh, let me see. I'm at with Don Joe at the booth, and this is your newest product. What is it?
This is the extra high hole 161 strike, and this is the extra wide hole 161 strike. So this is like if you have weather strip in the opening and the latch won't go in, it gives you a little extra wide of a hole to fit the latch bolt. And this one is the extra high for when the frame settles. Instead of you having to file it down to get the latch to fit in there, you just unscrew the old one, take off the old one, and then put this one in its place, and zip, you're done.
So I can see a market for both of these, because we're in an area where the frames are settling left, right, and center, and the weather stripping is always a pain in the butt. So sometimes we've got to cut it back. But hey, great product. Thank you very much.
Thank you.